Hi everyone, John Ossipinsky here, aka LymphMan. Have you had brain fog lately? You know, brain fog has always been a problem. People saying they can't think, they can't remember things. Now that COVID has been here, we know research shows that we get a lot of excess brain fog. COVID will create more brain fog. People who have long COVID have many months of not being able to think clearly. It really affects their health. But once we know that COVID creates more brain fog, we have to understand that it's about cellular waste in the body. COVID creates excess cellular waste. The treatments create excess cellular waste that limit your lymphatic system's ability to flow. And when your lymphatic system can't flow, then your body and your brain suffers. In 2015, lymphatic vessels were found in the brain. That's a direct lymph-brain connection that you can use to improve circulation in your brain. And that's really what it's all about when we have brain fog, when we have anxiety, depression. It's about our brain having limited circulation and actually becoming more toxic. So by understanding the lymphatic system, a tiny network of vessels and nodes, then we can create circulation in our body. We can do it with our hands, we can do it with diet, with supplements, but really the most important is your hands. You don't need a brush. You can just use your hands to open up your lymphatic system. And I'm going to show you how to use the LymphMan shoulder shuffle. It's really simple. Your major lymph drains are right here. And one little vessel on either side of your neck that must handle the waste from thousands of lymph vessels and hundreds of lymph nodes. So when this starts to congest and gets filled with waste, you get tight in your shoulders, then your head can slowly fill with cellular waste and fluid, and your body can fill with that same cellular waste and fluid. And it affects our skin, our organs, our brain. Every part of our body is cleaned by our lymphatic system. But I'm going to show you how to simply just move your shoulders up and down. You want to sit with good posture, because posture is if you're slouching all the time, then you're limiting lymph flow in your head, right? It's a plumbing system. So just sit up straighter and you actually feel flow. I felt my whole back start to flow and open up, right? I feel tingling in my legs now that my back is opened up. So posture is key. But the LymphMan shoulder shuffle is just move one shoulder up, one shoulder down. If you have a bad surgeries in your neck or pain, do it very easy, very lightly. Just keep your head straight and do this about 10 times. Alrighty, that made me want to take a deep breath. I feel more tingling in my legs, right? We're opening up the major lymph vessel, and that completes circulation, because the lymphatic system must complete circulation through your body. So if you don't have any pain, do it a little faster, about 10 times, all right? Oh, man, I feel flow through my body. I feel itchiness down the back of my head. We can gain direct control over many of our health problems, including brain fog and how we think and feel, by understanding our lymphatic system. But you have to open your mind to something new, because the lymphatic system is not really mentioned when you go to your doctor and talk about brain fog or brain issues like anxiety and panic attacks and depression. So you have to, again, open up your mind to accept new information that can change your life. Let me know how the LymphMan shoulder shuffle makes you feel. Have a great day.